we should educate the people to how to avail the benefit of all these schemes. I'll not take much time because I am also eagerly waiting for Alexa sir because he always keeps on motivating a lot. So thanks all of you, and we will be interacting totally full day. But first we will finish sessions. Thank you.
देव बरे करू सर. मुखारी सावतेर हांव मागता की टेलिलॉ मध्ये CSC चे आतापर्यंतचे झालेले काम ह्या पुस्तकाचे आमच्या मुखेल सोयऱ्यांनी अनावरण करचे.
काय मग मुदीमध्ये येऊ नका. सांगलं सायडीक लागला न्हू ते सांगता ते म्हाका कितें उलयता हां मास्क पटेल
धन्यवाद सर. भुपाचे उक्तावण तर जाल्ले आसाच. मुखारे सुवातेर ह्या कार्यक्रमात उपस्थित आशिल्ल्या राज्य पुरस्कार प्राप्त जाल्ल्या नागरिकांचो सत्कार करूया. पयले सुवातेर फेलिसिटेशन जातले टेलिलॉ बेस्ट विलेज ड्रायव्हर ऑन्टरप्रिन्युअर हांचे. पयले नाव जावन आसा अनुष्का आनंद आयवले.
Good morning for all of you. Deacon of the dais, especially today's chief guest, Honorable Law and Environment Minister Hariksha Sekara, and he is well disciplined, simple, and he is punctual for all the programs. I thank you, sir, for your time, and other thing, you are always before anybody enters the premises. I've seen sir many times, and he's always, I heard also, he's the first person in Goa, in a minister as well as a MLA. He is always on before time. I can't say on time. I think he reaches 15 minutes before any event. Even I take the opportunity to thank the CSC in charges of Goa for here, and because of without their efforts and without their support, this program would not have been possible. I also take the opportunity to welcome the dignitary and Madam Vijaya V. Ambre, and she is a district legal service authority member, and my student and my alumni, Advocate Ms. Swati. Thank you. And because when they informed that Common Service Center, and informed that they are going to provide service for the public related to various programs and various activities. They thought that even our students were having legal aid cells, we are in 27 legal aid cells, and students are working in different parts of Goa from 1998 onwards. I thought that this is going to be one help for us, and even our students can collaborate with CSC in helping the public at the grassroots levels in providing different facilities. Now they are talking about tele law, ABHA cards, and what other facilities are available for the public. As the students are doing the work, and you can involve in this with the CSC, and you can do better work. Sir, I want to inform you that our college is the first college in Goa as well as in India having 27 permanent legal aid cells. And this is a continuing from 1998 because of students. And the teachers are in charge of different legal aid cells, and they trying to provide various facilities, mostly awareness programs, through skits, seminars, face-to-face interviews, and even our students are taking up many issues. And even we have filed around 25 public interrogations. Students are filed, and in many cases, High Court has given orders in favor of the college. And with this few words, I thank you because all of you are waiting for the chief guest speech. I don't want to take much time, and sir, we associate with you in CSC, and we try to do better work what you are doing. And even we have done, our students, just I want to inform, our students have done more than 10,000 senior citizen cards. Plus even they involved in Krushi cards and MNGRA. These cards also they did, even in Mandem area they did the cards. And students are doing many activities, and we are not, all the things are not showing to the public, but when it comes to us, we are keeping the records and maintaining a lot of activities through students. Thank you, I welcome you all of you, and we try to do service for you. If you are having any services from our side, legal services, our students also here, you can meet them and you can find out. We are in different areas, different groups. They work every Saturday in creating awareness and to provide legal help. And you can take the help from our students, and even in clinics. And the clinics also are going to help through filing complaints. For example, we are aware that there are certain forums, no need to appoint advocates, students also can go and they can represent the case. And for this also, our students are taking part, and they are trying to help the public who are deserve and who are not able to take the service of any advocates. Students are going to help, and we are there to support them. And even government and all, I can take the help of CSC in supporting us in filing complaint, and the advocates they can bring and they can argue the cases. So thank you. With these few words, now I don't want to be held between you and the chief guest. Thank you. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, CSC, for giving opportunity.
देव बरे करू शब्बीर सर. शब्बीर सरान आमकां सांगलें साळगांवकर लॉ कॉलेजी बद्दल, आणि एज फार एज आय नो हांव फक्त एकदांच त्या कॉलेजीन पावलां, बट आय वूड रियली अप्रिशिएट द वे तांणी जे फायनस्ट लॉयर्स त्या कॉलेजींतल्यान भायर पडल्यात. आय एम शुअर मुखावल्या कांय वर्सांक सुद्दां आमकां अशेच बरे लॉयर्स मेळटले, एंड इन केस आमकां जर केन्नाय हेल्प जाय पडली तर वी कॅन टर्न टू यू सर. थँक यू सो मच. सो मुखार सुवातेर सरांचे उलोवप जाल्या उपरांत हांव मागतां गोवा स्टेट लिगल सर्व्हिस अथॉरिटीची मेंबर सेक्रेटरी विजया वी आमरे हांचे कडेन की मॅडम तुमी आमकां 2 उतरां सांगची.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. आमचे मानेस्त कायदा मंत्री मिस्टर आलेक्स सिकेरा आणि माचेर बशिल्ले सगळे डिग्निटरीज आणि तुम्ही सगळे जाण तुमकां म्हाजो माय मोगाचो नमस्कार. आमची गोवा स्टेट लिगल सर्विसीस ऑथॉरिटी नाल्साच्या सपोर्टाचेर आमी काम करता. आमकां स्टेट फंडूय मेळटा, गोवा स्टेटूय आमकां हेल्प करता. आमचे मुख्य कार्य म्हणजे मोफत कायदा सेवा. आम्ही लोकांक कायद्याची सेवा दिता आणि त्या अंतर्गत ते जागृताय करपाक आम्ही वेरियस कॅम्प्स घेता राज्यभर आणि तरेतरेचे विशय घेऊन लोकांक फुडें वता आणि तांकां त्या विशयाचे सांगपाचो प्रयत्न करता आणि तांच्या मदीं जागृताय हाडपाची प्रयत्न करता. तशेंच आमी फॅसिलिटेटर म्हणून काम करता. इन द सेन्स आमी गोंय राज्य सरकारचे स्किमी लोकांपर्यंत पावपाक तांकां त्याच्या बद्दल जागृताय करपाचें काम करता. तशेंच हे टेली लॉ पळय आसा जे दुरून तुमकां कायद्याची ज्ञान किंवा एडवायस किंवा सेवा जर जाय जाल्यार तुमी ती घेवं शकता. आमचो मोबायल एप आसा, टोल फ्री नंबर आसा, आमचे भायर आमचे पॅम्पलेट्स आसा, तेजेर सगळ्या ऑथॉरिटींचे नांवां आसा, नंबर्स आसा. तुम्ही त्यांचा लाभ घेवचो आणि ह्या कायद्याची सेवेचो लाभ घेवचो आणि दुसऱ्यांकूय सांगचे ह्याच्या बद्दल. आमची नालसा हेल्पलायन आसा 15100. ही जर तुम्ही डायल करत जाल्यार आमकां थंयच्यान नालसांतल्यान आमकां हांगा कॉल येता आणि आमी त्या मनशाक जाय ती सेवा दिवं शकता. आमच्या प्राधिकरणाच्या जे आमचे ऑफिस आसा हायकोर्टान थंय आमी सिनियर सिटीजन सेल ओपन केला. आमी आमचे सिनियर सिटीजन्स येता आमचे कडेन, तांचे जायते विशय आमी हाताळल्या आणि तांकां मोफत कायद्याची सेवा आणि तांकां उपदेशूय केला. तांकां कितें जाय पळय ते एडवायजूय केला आमी. तशेंच हांव तुमकां मागता हे जे आयज टेली लॉचे स्टार्ट केला तेजो तुमी लाभ घेवचो. इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट सर्वीस. सरान जशें म्हटलां त्या कारणान प्रायव्हेट वकील करपाक खूब पयशे पडटा. थोड्या लोकांक ते परवडना म्हणून कितें कायद्या बद्दल कायद्याची सेवा घेवपाचें ना अशें ना. तुमचो रायट आसा, कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल रायट तो. तुमचो हक्क आसा कोर्टान वचून तुमचे इश्यू सेटल करपाचे आणि त्या खातीर हे आमचें माध्यम आसा. ह्या माध्यमाची तुमी जास्तीत जास्त उपयोग करपाचो हें हांव तुमच्या लागीं मागता आणि म्हजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देखून
देव बरें करूं विजया मॅडम. मॅडमीन आमकां फ्री ॲपा बद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली. ही माहिती आय एम शुअर तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी नोट करून घेतल्या आसतली, कारण आमकां न्हय तर आमच्या शेजाऱ्यांक किंवा आमच्या लागच्यांक केन्ना कशी गरज पडत यू नेवर नो. बट जर गरजेक पावना की नेबर्स किंवा आपली क्लोज मनशां कसली. हय, जशें मॅडमीन म्हणलें की प्रत्येक मनीस जर कितें कायद्याची गजाल जाली जाल्यार लॉयरा कडेन किंवा आनी कोणा कडेन सल्लो घेवपाक फाटी फुडें मस्तका फाटी फुडें जाता. बट जेन्ना फ्री ॲप आसता तेन्ना आय एम शुअर चडशे लोक हाजो अनुभव घेतले आणि दे विल मेक बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. थँक्यू सो मच मॅडम. आणि लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट हांव मागतां लॉ एंड ज्युडिशरी तशेंच एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर श्री एलेक्सो सिक्वेरा हांचे कडेन की सर तांणी आमकां 2 उतरां सांगची.
Madam Vijaya Amre, Dr. Shabir Ali, my friend Advocate Swati, Mr. Jadhav, lawyers, and my dear student friends, ladies and gentlemen. Over the last 7 years, since the inception of the tele-law program, it has played an important role in providing access to justice to the citizens of India. The outcome is over 70 lakh people have benefited. They've received legal aid, legal advice. They've received pre-litigation advice, thus highlighting the importance of this tele-law program. The need for more outreach and improvement is there. And that is why our Prime Minister has taken the initiative to try and ensure that citizens of India get services of various governments at their doorstep. This responsibility has been handed over to the CSC, and I have personally had the privilege of experiencing the services as they are rolled out to the common man. I've had many a time an argument with Mr. Jadhav in the good sense, fighting with him to allot time for my constituents. He has been kind enough to oblige, and therefore I would not hesitate to thank him in front of all of you. Thank you. I think most of you all gathered here are young and future leaders of this country. I would only like to tell you, especially those who are specializing in law, it is your responsibility to secure and preserve the constitution of this country. The constitution of the country is like a Bible to many of us, and therefore I believe in your fight to preserve the constitution, you have to take it upon yourself to reach that common man in that remote area. And that is why I think the slogan of today is reach the unreached. If you take this up in the right spirit, believe me, at the end of the day, you would be doing a great service. And at the end of the day, you will get the satisfaction of saying, I have walked the extra mile to help that man who otherwise would not be able to access legal aid. As Madam Ambre said, yes, I have said. I'm not going to be as blatant as I was there, but I will definitely say that for many a citizen, fees of lawyers may be beyond their reach. And therefore, I appeal to you students, budding lawyers, when you pass out of your college, let it be in you that money is not everything. First, think of the poor man, think of the common man would be a better term. Second, don't sell your souls. Because I've seen many a times lawyers get together and who suffers is that poor innocent customer or client. So take it upon yourselves, take this responsibility, take this as a challenge. Trust me, at the end of the day, our principal Shabir Ali, our Mrs. Vijaya Ambre, Advocate Swati will be proud of you all, because as I said, the future is in your hands. I have not come to sermonize you all. I have only come to request you all, let us walk together, be it the CEC, be it you as lawyers, be me as a government representative. Let us work together and ensure that we make this place, Goa in particular, a better place to live in. I thank the organizers of today's function for giving me the privilege of being in your midst. And on behalf of the government, incidentally, I have been told by the Chief Minister too, who wanted to be present, but due to other compulsions, he could not be in person, that we as government are willing to stand by your and assure you whatever cooperation is required. Once again, I thank all of you for having had the patience to listen to me. And let us unitedly walk hand in hand and ensure that we make this place a better place by giving our citizens whatever facilities necessary at their doorstep. Thank you very much.
थँक्यू अलेक्स सर. जशें सरान म्हळें, लॉयर्स आनी जे कॉमन मॅन आसा वेन दे वॉक टुगेदर हँड इन हँड, तेन्ना लायक सर सेड नॉट ओन्ली द वर्ल्ड, लायक हांव स्पेशली गोंयचे उलयता, गोवा विल बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अँड लॉफुल प्लेसीस. थँक्यू सो मच सर वन्स अगेन. आनी आतां खंयचो सुवाळ किंवा खंयचीच कार्यावळ जी आमी म्हणटात आभार प्रदर्शना शिवाय पुराय जायना. आणि म्हणूनच हांव मागतां स्टेट मॅनेजर CSC गोवा बाब सुयोग दीक्षित हांचे कडेन